and I said the word cool.
Cool.
Cool apparently is our favorite word.
Yeah, or cute. No, it was cute.
Oh, cute. So cool is okay.
It's cool and cute.
All right. Cool and cute. Hello and welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today we are going to be crafting box 918.
Yes, we are.
Our inspiration for the box today came from something I saw at Hobby Lobby. And we're in there all the time. So.
Just one of our favorite stores.
Absolutely. We're going to take this embroidery hoop, turn it into a really cool wall hanging.
So this is a really fun multi-step project.
Right, you're not just going to finish it in 5 seconds. We have painting, and we're going to work with canvas this time.
Very fun.
If you take a look in the description box below, you can find a link to this box so you can get crafting with us.
You can also reference different chapter links if you look below so that you can go to a specific point in the project if you need to.
All right, let's get started.
Let's go.
For this craft kit, we have lots of different options for words you can use.
Yeah. We give you some options to choose from in our craft kits, but you could also email us if there's something custom you want us to do.
This would be an easy one to customize.
Yeah, just reach out. If there's ever anything that we're using in a craft kit that's not included, we have it listed as an add-on, so you can always add that in. We don't necessarily assume that you need a new glue gun every time you do a craft. So just pop that in your cart at the same time, and then you'll have it for future.
Always an option.
Yep.
The bottom leaf with the bottom of the canvas here.
Got it.
Guess what you just did? Do we want to do that every time?
We don't have to do that every time.
It's kind of cheesy. I had a lot of fun making this one.
It's always fun. It's always fun.
Gather together.
Let's stay home.
Remember,
it's our opposites. Let's just gather together at home.
Right. Yes, exactly.
We do like each other.
These are so cute. I can't wait to find a spot to hang them.
Yeah, hang, or they could lean. Get something. So don't forget, you can also make it your own. Make it say whatever you want.
Yeah, so you could even put a last name on it or something.
Yeah, lots of
Whatever.
options.
Well, we hope you enjoyed crafting with us today.
Yeah, we'll see you next time.
Till next time.